Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said...
지야, 무슨 왜 왔어? 언제까지 그러고 있을 거예요? 황금. 오구. 황금아.
Huh, my bed's kind of lumpy. What do you think it could be? We better check.
Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Thanks.
Hey! You break them, you buy them, and you don't make any money.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
She apologized to Santa.
I just wanted to apologize for what I said.
I'm stalking like some weird.
You need encouragement? Come on!
No, those are stuck on. Those are stuck on. Those are stuck on.
Connections is because everything is based in truth.
That was the point where we began to become the voice.
Freaking 12 gigs, what do you
Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Huh?
Later. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Hey, buddy! Buddy, hold on.
Oh shit!
What part of don't speak unless I'm speaking to you didn't you understand?
I will be quiet.
No.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the...
Empanadas.
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
Oh. What is it? Oh my goodness.
God damn! So you must go. God damn! God damn!
Leave the tree alone. Just stop. Please.
Meow!
Hoy, Bayo, kaya pinayak niya na naman si Sasa. Sumbong ko kayo sa nanay niya na. Uy, Sasa, huwag ka na umiyak.
Do you need your blankie? Come on. Yeah, you need your blankie. Yeah. Is this what the issue is? Here you go.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Would you stop it? You wait. You wait. There's no food. What are you doing? 마지막까지 감정 잡고.
Where is that mouse? Where'd that mouse go? Oh, he turned it on.
Oh my. Oh, Cheeto. What is it? Oh, don't let him fall. Don't let him fall.
Huh?
Meow.
Yo.
Chicken.
Oh my gosh. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
That might go viral.
How'd your nose?
No, no.
Okay, so here we are, and I'm trying to drink my milk. No, please, please, please.
Penny baby. Oh, hi. Everyone's wondering, how do you breathe when you sleep like that? Okay.
Can you just wear this for a second so we can take a picture? Oh, okay.
Sorry, were you gonna lay there? Looks like this seat's taken. No, 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 no.
Eat a certain diet. This time I'm really just all about nourishing my body and eating the best foods to keep.
Wants to cuddle with mama. Oh, okay.
Morning, Kermit. A few more minutes? That's fine.
Who argued with Azam moments before he was stabbed, was behind the attack. He agrees to the interview.
What's your problem? Will you square up with me?
I swear to God, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Penny, I would die for you. Do you understand? I would die for you. I would die for your green eyes and your little pinkity pinkity nose and your little peats and oh, you're so freaking cute. The way you bring my cute aggression out. Fuba! Fuba!
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Timmy, I kind of want to use the bathroom alone, so if you could leave.
No. Stop. High five? Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you fucking cunt! Oh my god. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
Goose, come here. Good boy. Okay, that's fine. This cat, I tell you.
Are you? Hey, Steven!
This is a f***ing nightmare, dude. Remy! 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 Come up here right now. I'm going to freak the f*** out. Remy! Come here, please. Oh my god. My poor sweet boy.
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, 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 hands, let me see your hands. Stop it.
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That elbow. That motherfucking finger that he...
Tell me something? Okay, show me. Show me what's wrong. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh.
Hey, Ethel. How do you pronounce this? Oh.
Baby, you're a chunky cat. You're not gonna be able to fit. Baby, you're a chunky cat. Oh my god.
No! No! Hey! That's my burrito, and now you put holes in it. Hey! Oh my god!
Let's see how fast Butters opens his eyes. Butters. Psst, psst, psst.
As hard as
Butters.
these calls are,
Get his treats?
they pull at us.
You fat cow.
Do you not like my hat? What's the matter?
Скажи, а? Молодець. Служи Україні. Молодець.
Food time, food time, food time!
It's okay, Daddy.
For most people, this is not an issue. I'm talking more about the very news because obviously
いけんのどんどんおかしくなってくる。もう見えなくなってくるよ。ゆまちゃん。あ、こっちこっち。ゆまちゃん。やろうか。うん。取ろうか。うん。これ取ろうか。うん。あ、それから直すか。